Hello everyone, my name's Aaron. I'm a cloud advocate at Microsoft working on open source. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about our hands-on labs for Python which we've put together for PyCon this year. These are a set of hands-on exercises which will teach you development tools and techniques for Python from Visual Studio Code and GitHub to the cloud. They should take around 5 to 7 minutes each. You might have done some of these at PyCon last year at the Microsoft booth. This year we've revamped them, we've made them completely online. You can do them inside Visual Studio Online, inside Visual Studio Code on your local machine, using the Python extension or the Jupyter Notebook support. We also have the Azure Cloud, the Azure portal with Cloud Shell credits available so that you can do various exercises in the cloud there. And we also have GitHub Actions for Python and GitHub Actions for Azure, which you can use to deploy your applications to the cloud. We'll be available live online throughout PyCon to help you and answer questions. We'll miss taking you through the labs in person at PyCon this year, but look forward to bringing you this virtual experience, and feedback is always welcome.